Hi everyone, welcome to Franka's Kitchen. So today I'm making pounded yam from scratch. Yeah, I sliced my yam into pieces and I've blended some. Yeah, is the first batch. So normally you're supposed to pound, but with this method you can eat your pounded yam and enjoy it. So after blending this first batch, I'll pour it out and put in another. Here's the second one. The thing is, you have to do it little by little so that it will blend properly, and you don't add too much water because you might not get the real consistency when you add too much water to your yam, to the yam on the blender. So a little water will be enough. Yeah, just like that. So in here I've got my pot. I'm going to pour it in. I had a little groundnut oil under the pot, just my preference. So I'll pour everything in and we'll start turning on a low heat because it might start burning at the bottom and we don't want that. So right here is already getting strong, like a thick consistency, but I just need to stir more so that it doesn't get burnt. So our pounded yam is ready, as you can see. And if you ever have a desire to eat pounded yam like thing, you could try this method. Yeah. So thank you very much. This is the final thing, the final phase. Thank you very much. As you can see, I used it to eat bitter leaf soup. Thank you for joining me. Bye.